Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2015 Chevrolet Cruze. I gotta tell you, I think I'm in love with this car. Has awesome styling, just the lines, the chrome accents there in the front. That LT package is very sharp. Of course, you get your alloy wheels with that LT package. Again, this car is super clean, less than 50,000 miles on this car. Awesome gas mileage. I mean, we're talking 38 miles to the gallon. This one has keyless entry with both remotes. I'll tell you, the Cruze has tons of trunk room there. See, it's got the wide opening, easy to get stuff in and out, and tons of room. The rear seats will lay down. And again, premium alloy wheels with this LT package. You have your folding armrest there in the back for your rear seat passengers. Has cup holders in there as well. This one, of course, has all your power options. You do have the height adjustable seat. And again, very clean, guys. Whoever had this car took really good care of it. You get your auto headlamps. Of course, you have your cruise control. This one is Bluetooth ready. You can also pair your phone to run GPS through your system. It is the premium audio. Just very clean car. You get your traction control, and of course you have your side airbags. Guys, this car is super clean, super affordable, very good miles on it, awesome fuel economy. And I gotta tell you, if you have not had the chance to drive a Cruze yet, get down here and drive this car. I'm telling you, in this class, you will not find a smoother riding car than the Cruze. Extremely durable. We see these things going through auction all the time with way over 200,000 miles on them. This car is rock solid. Guys, don't miss this one. This car is very clean. We have no processing fees here at City Motors. And as always, feel free to call us or text us at 540-433-7335. Get down here, drive this car. You're gonna fall in love. Stop by anytime, and thanks for stopping by.